Today, we'll explore 20 famous American military aircraft. The United States is renowned for its advanced weaponry. In this video, we'll discover massive aircraft, agile helicopters, and modern fighter jets. Are you ready? Let's begin. AH-1Z Viper. This is the AH-1Z Viper, a modern attack helicopter used by the United States Marine Corps. It features advanced targeting systems, strong armor protection, and powerful weapons for close air support, reconnaissance, and battlefield strike missions in demanding combat environments. This is the F-35 Lightning II, a fifth-generation stealth multi-role fighter aircraft. It combines advanced sensors, radar evasion technology, and networked combat systems, making it one of the most capable modern jets for air superiority and strike operations. C-130 Hercules. This is the C-130 Hercules, a versatile military transport aircraft known for durability and short runway performance. It carries troops, cargo, medical teams, and supplies, serving in transport, rescue, and humanitarian missions worldwide. This is the CH-47 Chinook, a heavy-lift helicopter recognized by its twin-rotor design. It transports soldiers, vehicles, artillery, and supplies, playing a major role in logistics, rescue, and battlefield support missions. F-16 Fighting Falcon. This is the F-16 Fighting Falcon, a highly agile, multi-role fighter jet used around the world. It is known for speed, maneuverability, and versatility in both air-to-air combat and ground attack missions. C-17 Globemaster III. This is the C-17 Globemaster III, a large strategic airlift aircraft built for rapid deployment. It carries troops, heavy vehicles, and humanitarian aid directly into difficult locations, even on short or rough runways. AH-64 Apache. This is the AH-64 Apache, one of the world's most famous attack helicopters. It is equipped with missiles, rockets, and a powerful cannon designed for anti-armor warfare and close support operations. F-22 Raptor. This is the F-22 Raptor, a fifth-generation stealth fighter focused on air superiority. It combines speed, supercruise capability, stealth, and advanced sensors to dominate enemy aircraft in contested airspace. B-1B Lancer. This is the B-1B Lancer, a supersonic long-range bomber with variable sweep wings. It carries large conventional weapon payloads and is designed for fast penetration strikes against strategic targets. E-3 Sentry. This is the E-3 Sentry, an airborne warning and control aircraft with a rotating radar dome. It tracks aircraft, monitors battle zones, and coordinates military operations as a flying command center. F-15 Eagle. This is the F-15 Eagle, a powerful twin-engine fighter aircraft known for exceptional combat performance. It has a strong record in air combat and remains effective in modern, upgraded variants. B-2 Spirit. This is the B-2 Spirit, a stealth strategic bomber with a flying wing design. It can penetrate advanced air defenses and deliver precision conventional or nuclear weapons over intercontinental distances. MQ-9 Reaper. This is the MQ-9 Reaper, an unmanned combat drone designed for surveillance and precision strikes. It can remain airborne for long periods and carry guided missiles and bombs. B-52 Stratofortress. This is the B-52 Stratofortress, a legendary long-range bomber in service for decades. It carries heavy payloads of conventional and nuclear weapons and remains a key strategic platform. F/A-18 Super Hornet. This is the F/A-18 Super Hornet, a carrier-based multi-role fighter used by the United States Navy. It performs air combat, strike, escort, and maritime attack missions with high reliability. C-5 Galaxy. This is the C-5 Galaxy, one of the largest military cargo aircraft in the world. It transports oversized equipment such as tanks, helicopters, and heavy vehicles across global distances. KC-135 Stratotanker. This is the KC-135 Stratotanker, an aerial refueling aircraft that extends the range and endurance of combat planes. It plays a critical role in sustaining long missions worldwide. P-8 Poseidon. This is the P-8 Poseidon, a maritime patrol aircraft used for anti-submarine and reconnaissance missions. It carries advanced sensors, torpedoes, and surveillance systems for ocean security operations. UH-60 Black Hawk. This is the UH-60 Black Hawk, a versatile utility helicopter used for troop transport, rescue, evacuation, and combat support. It is valued for reliability and adaptation in many mission types. RQ-4 Global Hawk. This is the RQ-4 Global Hawk, a high-altitude, unmanned surveillance aircraft built for long-endurance reconnaissance. It gathers intelligence over vast areas while keeping pilots out of danger. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to watch other interesting videos. Thank you for watching.